we have got some famous guests coming out to grace this event. So I'm requesting you to be available here in time so that you don't miss any of the fun. Vishal Bhai, what do you think about this entire setup and program?
It's fantastic and it's going to be totally fun. Can we have a round of applause to begin with?
Please clap. Let others please come down. We are still waiting for a few more moments to start. What do you think? The scale of this occasion is growing year by year, is it not?
Yeah. We can see more and more people joining over here. And I can see those graceful faces today with fantastic attire and everything. So I think we are going to have a wonderful event tonight.
Superb. I echo that thought. जो यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, आपको संबोधित करता हूँ, यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, आप किस उम्मीद से यहाँ पर बैठे हैं?
It's a fantastic opportunity to be with you all. बहुत अच्छा माहौल है, बहुत अच्छा एम्बियंस आपने तैयार किया है और अब देखते हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चों की ट्रेनिंग कितनी बढ़िया हुई है। मैंने सुना कलकत्ते से ट्रेनर हैं, तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
Coco the clown will be available over here, right here in Palm Complex for the next 10 minutes only, and after that we are going to begin the show. So all kids are going to meet Coco the clown. Where is Coco the clown? Can you see him? Can you spot him? I am not able to spot him right now. Maybe his entry is still pending, but very soon you will find this Coco the clown inside Palm Complex, creating a lot of hangama and fun and frolic for the kids. So brace yourself, kids. You need to enjoy.
She's trying to say that we had a song based on Radha Krishna and Saraswati.
Okay, fantastic. Good, great. Look at the confidence of the kids. They know what has gone into practice. They know what they are going to perform and the background of everything. Very nice, beautiful, superb. So are the performers ready? So there is a millet stall which is gluten free and people who are thronging here around the stall. Okay, great. This was from Magic Moment stall. Well done, sir. Well done. Coco the clown. Well done. Okay. The kids are telling him, मत जाना. बच्चों इधर नीचे आएंगे. Coco the clown नीचे आएंगे, आपको मिलेंगे. So please. बसंत पंचमी के इस पावन अरसे पर हम ये कल्चरल प्रोग्राम करने जा रहे हैं. You all know that Basant Panchami sparks the beginning of springtime, and that is why Vasant Rutu जो बोलते हैं, it sparks the beginning of that with Mata Saraswati's Ashirwad. Mata Saraswati is the goddess of wisdom, intelligence and performing arts, and they are going to perform a lot of things. If you see in the whole of India, on the north side especially, and even little bit towards the south, you will find yellow colored mustard fields, सरसों के खेत लहराते हैं, and makes this entire region with a yellow blanket, and that's why we wear this yellow color for Basant Panchami. So similar to that, tonight we are going to fill your hearts with vibrant colors of music and dance and singing. That's our objective today. And without much ado, I will like to talk about our today's chief guest, whom I got the pleasure of meeting just some time back, Mr. Subodh Poddar. May I request you to please focus on this, maintain silence, because you are going to hear about a great personality. Subodh Poddar is a multifaceted artist with many art forms at his fingertips. He is a painter, a sculptor, writer, and a filmmaker too. Subodh's unique art style is named as Dancescapes. He paints taking inspiration from live dance forms. So when a dance is going on, he can paint with his calligraphic strokes. Subodh captures the very essence of the body language of the dancer in minimum strokes. He has painted many celebrities like Pandit Birju Maharaj, Guru Kelucharan, Mallika Sarabhai, Kumudini Lakhia, Jhelam Paranjpe, Hema Malini, and many others. Subodh has also demonstrated his dancescapes and exhibited in Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, Italy, France, and Morocco. So a great personality amongst us. It has been our pleasure that he is today here. May I invite him upon the stage? I will request Captain Kulbir. Captain, you are around. Please clap for Mr. Subodh Poddar. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, you want to speak some few words?
It's very nice to be here with you all. And I'm very glad that friend Devashita and this entire colony is working towards classical arts of India. Devashita wants to push classical form in the children. She wants to inculcate the classical art in the children of Palm Court. And I'm so glad to see so many parents pushing their children towards it. It's a need of the hour, where our culture don't know where it is going with the Western arts and Western culture. Our culture is getting hidden into the dungeons. But Devashita and your Sachin and everybody in this colony, I hats off to you all. It's very glad to see so much of classical dancing here today. And you also will see them all. They've been performing and rehearsing for months. And they especially got teachers from Kolkata teaching them online. They've come here 5 days before the show to take their rehearsals. And today you will see the outcome of all this hard work. I'm very glad to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. So please welcome and enjoy the show. We are very glad that you are here and gracing our occasion. Okay, so some of the kids now, between 3.5 to 2 years, 3.5 to 4 years of age, 2 kids basically, are going to start off with the Gayatri Mantra. And the kids' names are Amaira Basin and Sanvika Johri. So may I invite them on stage, please?
Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsavir Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhanuna Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsavir Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhanuna Prachodayat. Om Namah Shivaya.
Okay, the next performance is a bhajan from 4-year kid. His name is Pavika Kohli. Is Pavika over here? Where is Pavika? Pavika, please.
चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना.
कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना. कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना. तुम राम रूप में आना, तुम राम रूप में आना. सीता साथ लेके धनुष हाथ लेके चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना. कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना. तुम श्याम रूप में आना,
तुम श्याम रूप में आना, राधा साथ लेके मुरली हाथ लेके चले आना, प्रभु जी चले आना। कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना, प्रभु जी चले आना। तुम शिव के रूप में आना, तुम शिव के रूप में आना, गोरा साथ लेके डमरू हाथ लेके चले आना, प्रभु जी चले आना। गोरा साथ लेके डमरू हाथ लेके चले आना, प्रभु जी चले आना। कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना, प्रभु जी चले आना। हरे राम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे।
Beautiful, beautiful, wonderful singing. Today's kids are really confident, and the good part is that they are moving towards our own culture. Though they may be watching Coldplay and other stuff also when they grow up. So it's a international influence, of course, but we are going back to our roots as well and enjoying both the forms of music, which is a very great thing. For the next performance, may I call upon the 7 to 9 years age kids for Achyutam. Please come on stage. I don't have their name, so I'm going to ask them their name right over here. So each one of you, please pass on the mic and mention your name and pass on the mic. We need to know your names. Loudly.
Neera Indukar.
Okay, what's your name?
Arya Heel. Shlok Arvind.
Super. So 6 of them. And if you want, you can come a little bit forward. And may I request people who are doing video shooting of their kids or known people, just as these people are sitting down and doing it, that's the right way of doing it so that you don't block other people's view. Excellent, excellent stuff. So this mic also I'll hand over. You decide who will hold the mic.
Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram, Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram, Rama Narayanam Janaki Vallabham, Rama Narayanam Janaki Vallabham. कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान
now, just 2 minutes you wait here. Please give a big applause. Give a big applause to these kids. Excellent performance. What? Okay, be there, let the photo get completed. One thing I'd like to tell you that the choreographer, Asim Sheikh, is a very well-renowned teacher and accomplished dancer himself, and we are waiting for him to, with his own makeup, to come up on stage and perform, and we will be lucky enough, to witness that performance. So now you can get up, of course, they were clicked a lot of photos. And they have just, done everything within a month's time. This practice is in 1 month's time. A special thing I want to mention about these kids and all other participants who are, especially dance participants. When I went to the clubhouse at 10:30, what time? 10:30 a.m. in the morning, I saw these participants with makeup. From 10:30, they have been carrying this makeup till almost now, whatever time it is, 7 p.m. It's a big thing in itself. And just imagine the participants who will be performing last. They are carrying that makeup for a long, long time.